2, 3.
Good morning students. Welcome to the BPS online class. I hope you all are fit and fine and safe in your home. Students, yesterday I taught you chapter 3rd, name is keyboard and mouse. Okay. So today I am going to start your next topic, that is some special keys. In some special keys there are many keys. First enter key, second control key, shift key, backspace and delete key. So let us start our today's work. So all of you read and understand today's topic. Get ready to start your chapter. So students, yesterday I taught you some special keys. Okay, special keys means enter key, space bar and shift key. Okay, I hope you all are well understood about these keys. So now today I'll going to start your next special key is control key. Okay, so firstly I remind you that enter key, I hope you remember that yesterday's topic. This is your students, this is your enter key. Okay, when you enter key means pressing the enter key moves the cursor to the next line. This key is also used to send instructions and command to the computer. Okay, so this is enter key. Now next key is space bar. So student, this is space bar. This is space bar. Okay, so students, what is space bar key? It is used to give a blank space between letter, words or numbers. Okay, it is the longest key on a keyboard. Got it? ये पूरे कीबोर्ड की लॉन्गेस्ट की होती है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. ओके, so this key is space bar. Now next, what is shift key? I already told you that this key is always used a combination with other keys. Okay, हम इसको अकेले यूज़ नहीं करते, इसको हम किसी भी कीज़ के साथ यूज़ कर लेते हैं. Okay, so first when we type alphabetical in capital, if caps lock key is off. Second, type symbols and punctuation marks printed on the upper side of some keys on a keyboard. Okay, so now today I'm going to start your next key, that control key. कंट्रोल की को हम शॉर्ट में क्या लिखते हैं? CTRL. Okay, so now what is control key? Control key, like shift key, control key is also used with other keys. It is used to give commands to a computer. Like shift key, control key is also used with others keys. It is used to give commands to a computer. Got it? So students, this is control key. What is control key? This is your control key. कंट्रोल की का शॉर्ट में मैंने क्या बताया था? CTRL. This is your shift key, this is your enter key and this is your space bar. So now next key. What is next key? Next key is backspace key and delete key. Backspace key, this key is used to erase anything typed to the left. This key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the cursor. Backspace key. Backspace key, yes, this is your backspace key. Okay, this key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the cursor. मीन्स अगर आपने लेफ़्ट साइड में कुछ लिखा है तो ये उसको डिलीट कर देगा. तो इन सभी कीज़ का यूज़ स्टूडेंट्स कीबोर्ड पर मैं आपको लास्ट सेशन में बताऊंगी पूरा इसको समझाते हुए प्रैक्टिकली वे में. ओके, नाउ अभी एक्सप्लेनेशन आप लोग समझिए. देन लास्ट की इज डिलीट की. डिलीट की, व्हाट इज डिलीट की? इट इरेजेस एनीथिंग टाइप टू द राइट ऑफ द कर्सर. ओके, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ बैक स्पेस की? ये जो डिलीट करता है कोई भी वर्ड, उसको टेक्स्ट को उसको लेफ्ट साइड में, एंड डिलीट की क्या करता है? इट इरेज एनीथिंग टाइप टू द राइट ऑफ द कर्सर. ओके, सो these are some special keys. First is enter key, second space bar key, third shift key, and last what is control key. So students, now shift key, control key, and backspace key and delete key. Okay, so tomorrow I will going to start your next key, toggle keys and navigation keys. Okay, so you all are read this chapter today, okay, and ready for next day. Good day to all of you students.